Lingportal Online School presents
A Day at School. Today I want to share my story about my day at school. My name is Emma and I'm in my last year of school, making me a bit older than my brother, Alex, who is 13. The day started with a rush to catch the bus. "Hurry up, Alex!" I shouted as we grabbed our bags and dashed out the door. The bus ride was fun. Alex and I always sit at the back and chat with our friends. At school, my favourite lesson is English. Today, we had to write a story. I wrote about our family picnic. My teacher, Mrs. Green, said, "Emma, your story is wonderful. You have a talent for writing." I felt so proud. Lunchtime was exciting. Alex and I sat with our friends under a big tree. We shared sandwiches and talked about our weekend plans. Suddenly, a squirrel ran up and took a piece of my sandwich. "Look at that cheeky squirrel," I laughed. After school, Alex and I walked home. "School is fun, but I'm glad it's the weekend," I said. Alex nodded.
Me too. Let's plan something fun. Speaking practice. Answer the questions aloud during the allotted time. Why did Emma and Alex have to hurry in the morning? Emma and Alex had to hurry to catch the bus. What is Emma's favourite lesson and why? Emma's favourite lesson is English because she loves to write stories. What did Mrs. Green say about Emma's story? Mrs. Green complimented Emma's story, saying it was wonderful and that she has a talent for writing. What happened during lunchtime? During lunchtime, a squirrel ran up and took a piece of Emma's sandwich, which made everyone laugh. How do Emma and Alex feel about school and the upcoming weekend? Emma and Alex enjoy school, but are glad it's the weekend so they can plan something fun. Key vocabulary. During pauses, repeat the sentences. Rush. To move or do something quickly. I always rush to catch the school bus in the morning. Dashed. Ran quickly. We dashed out of the house to not be late. Chat. To talk in a friendly way. Proud. Feeling pleased about something you have done. I felt proud when I won the race. Cheeky. Disrespectfully bold or impudent. The cheeky cat stole my fish from the table.